It was 1996. I was training for a second marathon, early morning training run, and I stepped in a pothole, injuring my ankle. And that was the beginning of the end of my running. And then I'd been to several doctors and I think 2 surgeries after that, and nothing really helped, and it just declined. It was very uncomfortable and painful to do most anything that required walking or climbing.
This is the QC room, so this is my team doing inspections. So you can kind of see we have workstations, folks doing QC inspection.
So my son Wesley works for Advita, and that's made me comfortable with selecting a doctor and knowing his integrity and knowing that I could trust Advita through him.
I started at Advita in 2018 as an intern in our test engineering lab, and I remember I was actually doing wear testing on our ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene product, comparing vitamin E and standard poly, and I remember seeing the wear properties and these things and thinking, oh man, this vitamin E, if a family member ever needed a replacement, I hope that's an option for them. Fast forward to the beginning of 2024, I had taken on the role as quality control manager at Advita and had seen the new vitamin E ankle liners coming through, getting ready for launch, and remember thinking, wow, we're launching this for ankle. And so at about that same time, my dad, with his ankle, started looking for ankle replacement options. And so I said, make sure you ask the surgeon if vitamin E would be an option for you.
Through him, we were able to pick a surgeon, which made the whole process way more comfortable.
Turns out he was able to be one of the first surgeries for the Activity Vitamin E ankle.
Getting the surgery was life-changing. It has meant that I can now do things that I was not doing before and participate in family events, family trips. A few weeks ago, we were in St. Augustine climbing that lighthouse and up and down. And when I got down at the bottom of the lighthouse, all of a sudden it hit me. That was painless. I'm able to chase grandchildren, which is very important. To me, a family is everything to us.
It's amazing to see him be pain-free and be able to be active and do the things he enjoys to do again. It's really exciting to get to, go do the things we enjoy doing together as a family again.